Want to export Samsung contacts to Excel? It helps back up your contacts, import them to Google or Outlook, print lists, manage events or marketing, and access offline. In this video, we'll show 4 easy ways to export your Samsung contacts to Excel. Option 1. Export Samsung contacts to Excel via MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac is a versatile tool that allows users to manage and back up Samsung data effortlessly on a computer. It enables you to export Samsung contacts to Excel CSV, VECFF, HTML. How to use. Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Open the software and once launched, enable USB debugging on your phone so it can be detected. Step 2. Opt for after detection. All file categories from your Samsung device will appear. On the left panel, click on Contacts, All Contacts to view your contact list on the right side. Step 3. Choose the contacts you want to back up, then click Export. Export to CSV to save them to your PC or Mac. You can also manage your contacts directly from the program's main interface. Option 2. Export all contacts from Samsung to Excel via Google Contacts. On Samsung, go to Settings, Google Account Services, Google Contact Sync, and enable Auto Sync. Open Google Contacts, go to Contacts, click Export, choose Google CSV, then Export. Option 3. Export contacts from Samsung to Excel with MS Windows Explorer. Open Contacts menu, Settings, Export Contacts, select Contacts or select All, then export as VECFF. Option 4. Export Samsung contacts to Excel Spreadsheet via SA Contacts Pro. Install SA Contacts Pro from Play Store and open it. Grant permissions. Tap Export Contacts. Choose Excel, ZLs. Wait for processing, then save via email, storage, or cloud. Open the ZLs file on Excel or Google Sheets.